Now, to be honest, who will fly an EC135 inverted? Nice. It's really fast now. Look at that. Ooh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Good morning from Nakhon Savan. And it's a very good time to fly the F06 Yuxiang EC135. Subscribe to my channel, and before we do, very important, turn on all the notifications by clicking on this little bell icon so you stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Here we go. No winds. And I can actually see its altitude hold performance in no winds. Look at that. Nice. It's really hands-free without GPS. Now it's still doing a little bit up and down, not exactly that kind of solid hold like GPS, but I can tell you one thing, that you know why I would prefer this over a GPS one, because GPS tend to have glitches, right? GPS glitch can cause flyaway, loss of control and stuff like that, but optical flow will not. So this is why I like this one, that it can hold this position without GPS hold. So you don't have to worry about GPS glitches. And without winds, as I can see, is actually flying really nice and smooth. I mean, it flew really nice and smooth yesterday, even in all those winds. But without winds, oh, the front light is really nice and bright. Without winds, it's much more stable. Oh, I scared some pigeons up there. Let's not go there. So this is optical flow mode, very beginner friendly. Now I'm still getting used to this radio, which I said yesterday. Yes, I'm really not comfortable with this, you know, game type controller and game type joysticks, but overall the controls are nice. The helicopter is pretty much very nice in control. So I'm switching it to manual mode. The LED turns red in under it. I can see it's more stable on barometer now. I mean, on altitude hold side, it's more stable now. Look at that. And speed wise, it's faster. Nice. It's really fast now. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, I startled all those pigeons. Now one thing is, when you are fast in manual mode and you pull back on the joystick, it will not stop immediately. And losing and taking altitude is also slow. So you have to be careful when you're flying it fast. All right, let's see how it does on inverted. So I'll just put it up here and press and hold this button. No, it didn't do it. Let's go high. Oh, there you go. So you have to be like, I don't know, so high and only push forward, then it goes inverted. Now, to be honest, who will fly an EC135 inverted like this? And controls are very, very strange. So, how do you flip it back? Like this? Okay. Oh man, you have to be this high to do inverted. Nah, I don't like this inverted thing, man. Really don't like it. So, one, it does it very high, and second is not a good idea to actually do inverted on a helicopter that's actually designed to not do that. And yes, not a good idea to do this on scaled helicopters, because the scaled helicopters do not fly inverted. Now, one more thing, once it's inverted, the rudder was wrong. So, I mean, rudder has to be reversed, Yuxiang, if you are hearing me out. And the other thing is, it's not in beginner mode when it goes inverted. It's in professional mode when it goes inverted. So, controls are inverted and rudder is wrongly inverted. So, you will have difficult times controlling it once you go inverted. And also you have to be very, very high if you want to do that inverted thingy. Let's see one more time which altitude I can do it. Now, see, this altitude doesn't work. You have to be really high in order to do this. So, battery is dying, I believe. Yep. And LED lights are blinking. And I'm unable to switch it to... So, let's just land it and conclude this flight. Superb. That was nice. Alright, thank you very much for watching this flight. Let me know what else you would like to see about this helicopter in video comments. Now for the conclusion. It's a very beautifully done helicopter. I like the scale details and the color scheme on this. It flies very well. It's very beginner friendly. Apart from that inverted feature that they have provided you, I think they shouldn't. Yuxiang, please. Scaled helicopter do not need to fly inverted, okay? So the optical flow mode is very, very beginner friendly, and the manual mode or the non-optical flow mode is also beginner friendly and gives you plenty of time to control and fly. It's very, very stable in flight, very easy to control, very easy to fly, and you can have lots of fun flying this. I mean, even beginners can have fun flying this helicopter. Now for the radio, once again, Yuxiang, I mean, such a nice helicopter, such a beautiful and stable flight performance. Please give us a better radio with this helicopter. That radio is really very game type, cheap game type controller, and it's kind of uncomfortable to fly it. So I hope you will take notice and provide the same controller that came with the Seahawk helicopter. It was a really nice controller. Overall, I would say this is really a nice helicopter. Thank you very much, Yuxiang, for bringing it out and also keeping it in budget. But people, when you fly it, the head speed is really very high. So be very careful. Do not get this helicopter close to you or fly it close to the people. Take caution and keep it away. Fly it farther from you and people, because at that head speed, if this helicopter hits you or anyone, it will cause serious injuries. So take caution, take notice, and fly it with care and safely. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, give this video a big like, and you know what to do. Stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon, and turn on all the notifications.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.